Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today, I am here to talk about the importance of learning and using English. English is not just a language, it is a global tool for communication. It connects people from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds. Whether in business, education, or technology, English plays a key role in opening doors to new opportunities. In the world today, most international research, technology, and entertainment are in English. Knowing English allows you to access knowledge and resources that are available globally. It also helps you connect with people from all over the world, expanding your network and understanding of different cultures. In conclusion, English is more than just a language. It is a bridge to success in various fields, enhancing your personal and professional growth. Thank you.